So I'm installing a new door handle for my truck because some pricktard thought it would be a good idea to break in my truck while I was at the gym. So let's see. That's what we're getting rid of. I'm gonna replace this handle today. It's a lot of damage. It almost looks real expensive, but it's not. Thank God. So I bought this handle. Here it is. First thing I'm gonna do, there's a screw in there. We're gonna take it out. And I don't know if you can see, there's a couple of screws at the bottom. We're gonna remove them. There's a screw, I believe. And I think there's some screws in there. Okay, first we're gonna pop this off, or out rather. It just pops open like that. There's one. All right, to remove this, you're gonna need a small screwdriver. In that case, I don't have one. I'm gonna move the handle out the way and just pop this thing on out. Something small that'll fit in there if you don't have a screwdriver. Yep, there it is, and there's another screw. All right, get that out of there. All right, I found the other two screws that have to come out. And this little plastic piece, I'm gonna have to replace it because I broke it off. These screws are a little bit longer than the other ones I pulled out. See the hooks? That's why you gotta lift it up. There's wires in there that need to be unplugged. Tabs you push in here. Unplug everything and remove the whole panel. All the plugs are different sizes, so you can't plug anything wrong when you go to replace it. Now, let's see if we can get the door handle. So here's what we're looking for. There's a piece that connects here. Then you have these two screws that need to be removed. And basically that's it. You have a couple of hooks. You just slide in, you push it in, you're able to screw it in. I'm gonna give y'all a close-up. So that we're seeing what's going on inside of here. Can't really get my phone in there that good. But you have these two metal things. One of them we're not gonna use again because it goes to the lock and I'm not replacing the lock. So that's what you're looking at right there. With that little pink looking thing on there, we're gonna pop that off. And that's it. But this other one, you can't really see it that good. It's up a little bit higher. That's the one I'm replacing. It doesn't really look easy. I'm probably gonna have to reconnect it from the bottom and pull it out with the handle. Okay, I have removed this little hook-like deal that hooks up to the lock. I don't know if you can see it. It's that thing right there. It moves up and down with the door lock. So it's disconnected from the handle. Now I'm going to try to remove it. That way it doesn't move around. All right, for the next step, we're going to go ahead and get the screws out of the handle. I'm going to use where's it at? 11 millimeter socket. I can only do the left side. The right side, I'm going to have to use a crescent wrench because there's something in the way. All right, so I got that started on there. Magnet to pick it up. I'm gonna use a 7/16 to get the other side. If they'll let me. Should let me. Success. Loose, so I'm just gonna take it off from my fingers the best I can. Next I'm gonna do is remove the lock catch. I'm gonna use a number 27 star to get it off. Watch this little hook deal right here. I'm just gonna turn it and I'm gonna release it like that. So when you look at the connector on the old one, look at the connector on the new one, it's a little bit different. So I'm gonna take that red deal off of there and put it on this one. That way it hooks up the same way. There we are, it's out of there. Old one, put the new one in, or pop out the new one and put the old one back in, rather. There we go. Just slide that sucker on. And just work it on in. There's another hanger in here that was attached to my old lock cylinder, and I said I'm not going to use that no more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it to this little lock handle. I'm going to zip tie them together. That way it's not moving around. So I have the old connector here for the lock that I'm not using, and that's the zip tie. So I'm able to lock the door. So there's nothing moving around in there. I already replaced the screws in the new handle and everything looks like it's a go. Now, only thing left to do is to put everything back together.